Hello everyone, welcome to you all, and in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram messages is not working. If you want to send any on message but it's not sending or it's not working, so how can you fix it? In this tutorial I gonna show you that step by step. If you're watching carefully you can solve this problem, so you must be watching carefully step by step. So let's begin our video. So first of all, what should you do? Just you need to log out your Instagram application. Must be log out your Instagram application. On the down there have a option. You can see there have a option log out. So in this option you can tap and log out your Instagram application, and then your second step, what should you do? Just you need to open your Google Play Store, and after open your Google Play Store then type Instagram, and after type Instagram then you can find your Instagram apps, and you need to check out your Instagram is updated or not. Here you can see your Instagram application is not updated, so you need to update your Instagram. Okay, that's second step is complete. Now what should you do? Just go to your phone settings. You need to find out your phone settings on your mobile phone. Here you can see this is my phone settings. So after open your phone settings, you need to find out apps or application option. There you can see my phone is showing apps option, so you need to open these apps. And now you need to go permission. There have option, you can see permission manage apps option. You need to tap manage apps, and after manage apps you need to search for Instagram. Now I am searching for Instagram. I cannot see here, so just go to search bar and type Instagram, Insta, then you find it. Now what should you do? On the last there have option, on the bottom right corner there have option clear data. So just tap on clear data, and there have option clear cache. So just tap on clear cache, and now you need to confirm it. That's it. Now what should you do? Just go to permission, and then you need to everything allow. Everything you should allow. Go to multimedia, and then everything you need to allow. Allow everything. You need to allow everything. Okay, after allow everything, so what should you do? Just minimize it, and now you can open your Instagram apps. And guys, after open your Instagram apps, now you can go your messages option, then open any on inbox, and then you can message him. How are you? That's it. Now you can send, and there you can see your Instagram messages already sent. So I hope if you follow this step, your not message sending problem is fixed or solved. So guys, I hope you can follow this step and you can helpful. So in this video can help you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. That's my request for you. Thank you everyone for watching this video.